doing this live. I'm not the live stream. Record. We're gonna record this with Fidgets, and she's gonna be playing and commenting what we should do in our video. And so we should get on with the video.
And please don't pull your pants down, Fidgets. Oh, and I'm here, by the way. Can't forget.
She's gonna be helping. Actually, Fidgets is gonna be helping
me. But Fidgets isn't going to be talking a lot because she's not a fluent talker. She's like, like that. We'll see you down there. It says, don't forget to eat.
Don't forget to eat, guys. I don't want you to die.
Remember, we don't edit. So, sorry guys if we have horrible videos.
She have horrible videos.
People hate Ark. Why do we keep doing it?
Fidgets is going to be on this one. She's going to be playing with us.
Oh, yeah. I just got blinded.
Wow. Clap.
What are you on?
What is happening?
Remember, I'm not created, guys, so.
You're a wizard, bulldog.
If you guys don't remember the last video, go check it out.
You're a wizard, bulldog. Well, that's funny.
Oh my. Oh no, we get in the lag.
Sorry, pulled down my bed.
We're getting lagged, Ma. Lag, Ma?
Mama. We need some milk. Wait. Meat.
Sorry, guys, it's really...
I don't need any meat. Me don't need meat. Sarah.
Ew.
Oh my god, I got 60,500.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, look. My bulldog's not a wizard. I go kill it.
Oh my god.
Kill it.
Oh my god.
Kill it.
Ain't my fault. Nope. Nope.
Ain't my fault.
Nope, you're a horrible shooter.
Ah!
Yeah, wizard.
It hurts. I'm a wizard. Don't you dare hit my house.
It's evil.
Don't you? Ah! Get your big fat feet away from me. It ain't my fault.
What did I just increase? Oh.
I kill you, Paris or awfully. Okay. I don't know your name.
Look at me. I'm like, I'm in space.
I'm in space, suckers. I will kill this thing no matter what.
You guys have just seen
even if it's going to kill me. It's down me.
Don't know.
I don't know what you're going to do when you have to go.
I messed it up so bad.
Why can't I crouch anything? Drop, drop on a drop. Now you call it. Why can't I craft anything? It's just glitching. It's glitching.
Next slide.
It's not crafting anything.
Look at me, I look so wrong.
It's not crafting anything. That's just bad.
No, there.
Should
Should I have a bulging or should I have like tiny? Shoulders. Good posture. Hips.
I don't know.
Tiny.
Don't judge me.
Meh.
Meat. Jump on the top and on top.
Should I be like this super high lady or just this super short lady?
Super short for my mommy.
Not your ma.
You're my mommy. Your mommy sons like me.
Sorry, guys. Don't report this.
Why would they report us?
Because this is really... I don't think this is supposed to be on our channel. Look. This character barely has clothes. It almost shows...
Nothing.
Look at it. I'm going to give my character really dizzy. I mean, like, really dizzy.
Why are you not showing me?
Because
I
it's
wanna pick
for
the
comedy
cute
reasons.
What
Duh!
is this thing?
Comedy! There you go.
I didn't pick it up. I took the bulldog.
Yay, bulldoggy.
Why are you running away from me?
Or it's trying to eat you.
Get away from me. Okay.
Little evil little lady.
Why is there dodos running away?
Oh my, I'm gonna have a ginormous room. Look at this! I can have a teeny booty or big booty. I'm gonna have a tiny booty.
I can't get this bulldog off of me. I don't know how. How do you get the bulldog off?
Just go put it on passive or something.
I don't know how to get off.
I got
of me.
ginormous hands or tiny hands.
I'd
like to have tiny hands.
Get rocked on the floor and I got it and I hope now I got up. I love so stupid.
You want me to be very tall or very small?
Very small.
Here, let's go there.
You're gonna be my daughter.
Oh, yeah.
Fidgets. What do you comment on that? What did she say?
Have no idea.
Maybe she wants
She's just talking a bunch of stuff.
Maybe she's saying I hate it.
I don't know, actually. Don't know. Please, guys, don't hate.
You're a hater. Don't
Please
be
don't.
a hater.
Please don't be haters.
Haters, back off.
Yes, like Miranda would say.
Don't say that.
Haters back home.
Stop,
no,
Mama,
I
drop
should
it.
You want me to be your daughter?
Yes.
Mm.
I already asked Fidgets to comment on that.
I think she said yes, actually.
I stop, Mama.
Then what's my name? What's my name then?
John Cena.
What, actually, really?
John Cena.
No.
Okay. Bippity boppity boo.
No.
Boo.
How about
Miranda. Jenny. Gen 2.
Jenny?
Jen.
Okay, I'll go for Jen.
Jen. Jelly.
No. Jennifer!
Jennifer.
Okay. My name is Jennifer.
Hi, Jennifer.
Guys?
That's
No,
an
my
ugly
name
name.
is... No. Wow!
Jennifer.
Dad,
There's something in you. There's something in you. Okay.
wait. Dad, where are we?
Look behind you, son.
Where's my father, please? I need my father, please.
Fidgets comment.
Fidgets comment.
Woo! What does that mean?
Don't know.
She
I
said
think it means-
bippity boppity boo.
Don't kill me.
Ow, where's your Pokemon? Okay.
Okay, Fidgets.
I won't kill
I'm going into the water and being suicidal.
No, there's promise in there.
You never told me that.
Hot dog.
Father, you're a horrible father.
I can punch a tree now.
I would both
Oh
punch
my
you.
God, the fastest dodo in the world.
But I'm a little
The
tired.
fastest dodo in the world. Look at this. Woo, look at this. Look so fast.
How about I punch
Look
you?
how fast this dodo is. Look on sister's screen. I hate you, dodo.
Ah!
Ow.
You have a horrible baby. Don't kill it! I killed it.
Me.
Great. Just killed your own daughter.
You died. From me! Okay. Ow! Stop. Stop punching your father.
Never! You are the one that killed me.
Want me to kill you again then?
Can't do that.
I can't do that!
You can't do that!
Oh my god, he knocked me out! Don't you dare try. Are you gonna put me in a pool of piranhas?
Maybe.
Don't. Hope I wake up before you go there!
Come on. Come on, me.
No, you can't do it! You can't do it! You know, that was a bad idea, sis.
I'm gonna go be suicidal, sorry.
No, you're not!
You hate me, Father. You hate me.
Of course I hate
You hate me.
Oh no, is that a car over? There's Carnos.
That's why I'm going to be suicidal, since you don't love me.
I want to kill the Carno!
Ah!
Piranha. Oh my god! A beaver just kicked. I told you there was piranhas!
Father, you don't
Oh
love
my
me
god. The strongest bulldog in the world.
Where? What is that thing?
It just killed this Carno.
Oh.
You're my savior.
It looks like a...
Don't go into the red... Don't go into the red mushrooms. Don't go into the red mushrooms.
Dad,
You're dying. You're dying.
I can't breathe.
I said don't go into the red mushrooms.
You hated me, so what to suicide?
Why do you want to die in the red mushrooms?
Because you don't love me.
Follow me.
I'm gonna go to the red
No!
mushrooms.
Don't go into
What if
the
I
red...
punch him? Oh.
I said don't go into...
You just go through my head.
I said don't go into the red mushrooms.
I'm doing it anyways.
Don't. Okay. Okay.
I'm just a toddler. I'm just a toddler.
I go spear you in the head.
Alright, girl.
What are you doing? Don't go near that water, you missy.
But I'm a baby.
But
You don't tell me what to do.
I
You don't tell me what to do.
I do.
Don't tell me.
Fidgets. Comment on this. What does that mean?
Oh, she hates you.
But you want to sue. Why am I eating mushrooms? Why am I eating mushrooms?
You don't tell me what to do, Dad.
I can't see anything.
Whatever.
I'm trying.
Oh,
What the heck happened? Don't look at my screen. Something happened. How? I need somebody. Help.
now I have no dad. So.
I need. No, help me! Help! I need somebody. Help!
Now let's get on our feet.
No, help!
Let's go
I
first.
need somebody.
It's actually harder to crawl because I'm used to walking.
Oh, I just remembered something.
What?
I didn't save. My things didn't save from last video. Now I need to get my kite and armor back in my.
Father, I'm only like 3 and I can talk fluently.
We're gonna pause this video for a sec
Why?
because I need to get all my stuff back.
No.
Okay.
Father, you know I'm like only 3 and I can talk really good.
Yeah, I know.
It's like I'm in Who's Your Daddy? Look at me. Please don't kill me!
Oh,
Stop killing me!
sorry. I actually.
We'll be back after a short notice.
I didn't.
Sorry about that.
I actually did not think I was going to eat you. I didn't even know I was going to eat you at all.
Okay, Father. Just gonna do this. Ow, don't hit me.
I'll knock you out, Fidgets and Alyna. I can't attack her.
No, stop killing me. I'm not going to play anymore. No.
I'm trying to recruit you from promote to admin of Tribe of Anthony.
Ooh, that'd be cool. Do it.
You're my admin.
Huh?
Give me some food.
Wait, let me get up. I forgot how to get out. Okay, here. Wait. Let me go to your options.
Don't go to mine. Ah! Oh no! What the?
Now I'm an admin.
You're an admin now. Why is there so much piranhas? You go eat over there.
Father,
Can I be promoted? Sorry guys, we have to end this video.
no, not now. We just have to get our shoes on.
I have to.
Well, we have to go, guys. Sorry.
Peace out.
Beep, beep.
I swear this is not like my data is going to be saved. It's never going to happen. I'm going to be doing some bad, like off-camera stuff and later video, okay? By the way, I did not know I'm such a good at shooting.
Bye.
I hope we get 1,000 subscribers for this video.
No, we already have 2,000 and something.
I said 4 million. Okay.
No, you have to go down on the floor.
No.
While I tried to get Fidgets to stop trying to kill her Tio.
And
Thank you guys for watching. Please
now
click
she's
like and
gonna
subscribe.
feed my person who's ever injured. No, Billy.
And bye-bye while we try to get this